In this video, we will discuss 3 music-making applications that can help you create music and generate cool beats. By using these applications, you can easily create and combine various types of music, such as EDM, hip-hop, and dubstep. So, let's find out more. Groovepad. Groovepad is a music-making application that allows users to create beats, melodies, and mix songs easily and quickly. This application provides various drum pads and different music genres such as EDM, hip-hop, dubstep, house, rock, and more. Groovepad comes with thousands of music samples, sound effects, and virtual instruments that can be used to create unique and creative music. Users can select sound samples, adjust tempo, modify volume, and add effects such as echo, reverb, distortion, and more. The application also offers various types of loopers that allow users to record and play sounds repeatedly. Additionally, Groovepad includes features for sound arrangement, pitch adjustment, as well as mixing and mastering sounds. Users can also export their created music in MP3 format and share their works with friends through social media. Drum Pad Machine. Drum Pad Machine is a music-making application specifically designed for creating drum patterns and beats. This application provides virtual drum pads with realistic sounds in various music genres such as EDM, trap, hip-hop, house, dubstep, and more. Drum Pad Machine offers a wide range of drum sounds and music loops that can be used to create your own music. Users can select and combine drum sounds, adjust tempo, modify volume, and add sound effects such as distortion, reverb, delay, and more. The application also provides recording and loop playback features that allow users to record drum patterns and play them repeatedly. Additionally, Drum Pad Machine is equipped with sound mixing and editing features as well as the ability to export recordings in audio format. Remixlive. Remixlive is a music-making application that focuses on remixing and combining beats and music samples. This application has powerful features for creating electronic music, DJ performances, and live remixing. Remixlive provides various drum pads and loop pads that can be used to play and combine different music samples. The application is also equipped with sound effects, a mixer, and the ability to adjust tempo, pitch, and slice music samples. Users can set drum patterns, build melodies, and export and share their creations in audio format. Remixlive also supports synchronization with external controllers and other DJ applications, allowing users to use the application for professional live performances. Well, those were the 3 music-making applications that can be used to create music easily and creatively. Groovepad, Drum Pad Machine, and Remixlive offer comprehensive features for creating beats, drum patterns, and remixing music. We hope this video is beneficial and see you in the next video.